bike phone holder, motorcycle phone mount, Lamicall motorcycle handlebar, cell phone clamp, scooter phone clip for phone 11/phone 11 Pro Max, S9, S10 and more, 4.7-inch 6.8 cell phone. Sturdy and safe. A special shape of this motorcycle phone holder grips each corner of your phone tightly. It ensures the safety of your cell phone attached to the bike handlebar even on a bumpy road. Shockproof Protection. This adjustable bike phone mount comes with silicone pads that keep your phone from scratches and vibration. The motorcycle phone mount holds your phone perfectly when cycling. Wide compatibility. Universal bike cell phone holder, bike for 4.7 and 6.8 inches with thickness up to 15 mm, including phone case, like iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 12 Pro Max XS, XR, X8 Plus 7, S6, S6, Galaxy S10 Plus, S10e, S9, S8, Note 9, LG and other cell phones. Exclamation mark, not compatible with phones wide less than 2.67 inches, 68 mm, such as iPhone SE 1/2, iPhone 12 mini. Adjustable features. Easy to adjust the cell phone to horizontal or vertical screen. It is convenient to answer the phone, play music, GPS positioning during the riding. Easy installation. This one-hand operation bike phone mount is easy to install without tool. The extra 4 silicone pads make your phone fit better with handlebar. Can add or remove the silicone pad according to the diameter of handlebar. Suit well with various types of bicycles, motorcycles, stroller, shopping cart, electric scooter, indoor treadmill, indoor bike. Exclamation mark, handlebar diameter, 0.6 to 1.18 inch, 15 to 30 mm.